Hi, and welcome to setld TOTEMM Web Mapping Experience tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the Consumption tab. Here you can see resource consumption by organization and area over time. The first user story we'll be looking at is how much energy is being consumed from renewable sources. Start by clicking the Renewables Industry Theme button. Search and select Energy Consumption from the info type slicer. Review the map by clicking a feature and getting a pop-up that has record details tied to that location. Or you can come down to the attribute table and see all the records here, which you can export in the file format of your choice. The next user story is, what is reported electricity cost over time in the United States? Start by searching and selecting United States from the country slicer. Search and select electricity cost from the info type slicer. Select the US Lower 48 bookmark. And now review the records in the attribute table, which you can sort by date, to see costs over time. The next user story is, what are organizations' energy consumption splits from renewable sources in the United States? Start by clicking the Renewables Industry Theme button. Search and select Energy Split from the info type slicer. Search and select United States from the country slicer. Select the US Lower 48 bookmark. And investigate the map by clicking on individual features to see the record details or see all the record details in the attribute table down below. The next user story is, what are organizations' global energy consumption splits? Start by clicking the Renewables Industry Theme button. Search and select Energy Split from the info type slicer. Search and select Global from the Super Region slicer. Select the Full View bookmark, and now review the records in the attribute table down below. The last user story is, what new policy/rule has been passed about resource consumption recently? Start by searching and selecting New Policy/Rule from the info type slicer. Hold Control and select 2021 and 2022 from the year slicer. Select the Full View bookmark. And now review the records by selecting the feature to get the record details tied to that location, or by going to the attribute table down below